I am captured by the creation, curled into fronds of ferns, and pulled into the ancient silence as deep as the oak tree roots. I breathe the cool, earth-damp air, moss and light and shade, walk under lichen-draped branches, bark studded with fungi. Translucent pearls cling to golden wisps, and the sea air mists through a rustle in the leaves. To be lost always in this wild green heart, where the martin and warbler, squirrel and toad, checkered skipper and otter, and lives of the untamed harmonise in the secret depths of this rainforest. Hello and welcome to this video. These steps behind me lead into a very special place, Dunolly Wood here in Oban, Scotland, UK. And this place is very special because it is a temperate rainforest and there is only a small number of these in the world. So I'm here to spend a day exploring and I wanted to bring you along with me. So let's go. Dunolly Wood stretches across two hills in Oban, overlooking the town and bay. Its 32 hectares of woodland are part of the rare 2% of Scotland's woodlands classified as temperate rainforest. Only a small fraction of the world's original temperate rainforests remain, covering about 1% of the Earth's land area, a rare and delicate ecosystem even more threatened than tropical rainforests. I've just perched on a fallen branch and I'm going to sit here for a bit and have a coffee. It's a very mossy area and I can hear quite a bit of bird life around me, so I thought it would be a nice spot to stop. So sitting here I have seen a goldcrest, tree creeper and robin, and I've also heard chaffinch and blue tits. Just after I told you the birds that I could hear here, I heard a squirrel. I looked up and saw it sat in a pine tree across from me. I knew that there were red squirrels living here and I was really hoping that I would get to see one. There aren't that many places left in the UK where they live, even though they are native to the UK. This is because red squirrels have lost much of their natural woodland habitat over time due to deforestation and land development, leaving their populations fragmented and vulnerable. They also face serious pressure from the spread of squirrelpox, a virus carried by grey squirrels, which are immune but pass it to reds, often fatally. Somewhere like Dunolly Wood is an ideal habitat for red squirrels because it offers a mix of native broadleaf and coniferous trees, providing both food sources like hazelnuts, beech mast and cones, and dense canopy cover for shelter and nesting. Temperate rainforests are lush forested ecosystems found in regions with a strong maritime influence, known as high oceanacity. These areas experience mild, stable temperatures year-round, with minimal seasonal variation, and receive abundant rainfall and consistently high humidity. These cool, damp conditions create an ideal environment for moisture-loving plants and organisms. The forest floor and tree trunks are often covered in dense mosses, while a wide range of fungi thrive, playing a vital role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. One of the most distinctive features of temperate rainforests is the presence of rare lichens. Lichens are organisms that consist of two or more different species that are designed to exist symbiotically. One is a fungus and the other is a photosynthesizing organism. In Scotland, historically, lichens have been used as a natural dye to colour tartans and tweeds. So temperate rainforests are also known as Atlantic or Celtic rainforests. I'm so pleased that I came here on a sunny day because you can see the sun streaming through the tree canopy and illuminating the ferns and the other flora here, and it is absolutely stunning. Dunolly Wood is home to a diverse range of wildlife throughout the year. Red squirrels and roe deer can be spotted if you move quietly through the woodland. Bird species include the missel thrush, great-spotted woodpecker, wren, blue tit, robin, goldcrest, redstart, fieldfare, and more. The common pipistrelle bat inhabits the area, and occasionally white-tailed eagles can be seen soaring overhead. The wood also supports some rare species like the checkered skipper butterfly, which is found only in western Scotland. Otters are known to frequent areas near the woodland. This variety of wildlife reflects the healthy and varied habitats within this incredible place. I'm heading back down through the woods now. I really hope you enjoyed exploring Dunolly Wood with me and learning about temperate rainforests. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please do support my channel by liking and subscribing, and I will see you next time.